Hey guys, Marisa at KitchenTableStamper.com. I'm so excited to share with you what's cooking at the Kitchen Table Stamper online classroom for September. The first class I want to introduce you to is the 25 Again Birthday Stamp-A-Stack. In the 25 Again Birthday Stamp-A-Stack class, you are going to make 8 whole stack of birthday cards, all featuring 25 again and the fantastic 6x6 Brights Designer Series paper. Oh my goodness, look at all these cards. It's a whole stack of birthday cards that's good for men, women, young people, old people. All right, so those are the cards. The kit that you'll receive includes the 25 Again stamp set, and then all of the papers, tissue, Designer Series paper, embellishments, and die cuts that you need to complete all 8 cards. Now, a couple of things that you'll need to keep in mind for substitutions, or if you want to add them to your order, you can do that. I used the Itty Bitty Greetings stamp set for this little happy birthday. If you've got a substitution, that'll work just fine. I used Happy Birthday Gorgeous for this hooray balloon, and the balloon bouquet punch makes it very easy to pop out those balloons. I embossed the back of every one of my cards, and you are welcome to add the Oh My Stars and Simple Stripe embossing folders to your order or substitute for whatever you have on hand. I hope that helps as you're planning what classes you might take in the online classroom this month. All right, so 25 Again Birthday Stamp-A-Stack is $34 plus $8 for priority shipping, and you can register for this class starting right now through September 10th. I will be offering 2 more classes in the online classroom for this month, so if you take 2 or 3 classes, you'll save $5, and I will combine shipping on all 3 classes. To get registered for the class, email me, Marisa at KitchenTableStamper.com, or if you're on KitchenTableStamper.com/online classroom, look for the link below the video for the sign-up form. All right, if you've got any questions about the 25 Again Birthday Stamp-A-Stack, reach out. I'm happy to answer questions for you, and I'm looking forward to seeing you in the online classroom.